All right, if you've chosen your favorite future product idea, it's time to draft a business plan for it. We'll paste our product idea into our AI app. We'll use a simple prompt. Create a startup business plan for this product idea for 50 years from now. We'll also guide it to be creative about what the future might hold when crafting its response. So, let's ask it to be imaginative and consider future customer segments and marketing channels in the plan. Now, watch as ChatGPT creates a comprehensive business plan. It includes all the sections you'd expect in a business plan. With a simple prompt, it produces substantial output, covering everything from marketing strategy to revenue model. It even includes basic financial projections. Let's also ask ChatGPT to create a table of the financial projections for the first 3 years, which is a common feature in business plans. So, let's ask, can you create a table for financial projections for the first 3 years? And there you have it, 3-year financial projections for our business plan. If you're using ChatGPT, you can request it to format this plan, along with your table, into a Word document. This way, you'll have a fully formatted business plan ready for editing. Let's see how it performs. There we go. ChatGPT has created a downloadable link to a file. We can download this directly to our device, open it in Microsoft Word, and voila, a fully formatted business plan for your future product. If you don't have Word installed or you're using a mobile device, you can use the free online version of Microsoft Word. You'll need to create an account, but then you can upload your file and start editing. You can also save your plan as a PDF to make it easier to share with others who may not have Microsoft Word. ChatGPT excels at document creation, but there are other options if you want to try another AI application. For instance, if you use Gemini, you can create your business plan there and then export it directly to Google Docs.